Movie Spotlight, Fright Night Part 2, 1988. Fright Night Part 2 was released in 1988 and was a sequel to the surprise 1985 hit. It saw William Ragsdale and Roddy McDowall reprising their roles from the original as Charlie Brewster and Peter Vincent, this time facing a new vampire threat in the form of Julie Carmen as Regina Dandridge, the sister of Chris Sarandon's villainous Jerry from the first movie, who's out for revenge for the death of her brother at their hands. Fright Night Part 2 did not achieve the same success as the original, thanks primarily to poor distribution as a result of various unfortunate things happening to the studio behind it at the time, and has a mixed reception in fan circles, with some fans of the original not liking it at all. And then there's me, who loves it to bits and actually likes it better than the original. Ha ha. Now don't get me wrong, I love the original and it's an absolute 80s classic, and yet I honestly do like the second film a bit more, for various reasons. For one thing, Peter Vincent gets more to do as he's in the film from a much earlier stage, and when it's Roddy McDowall in one of his most iconic roles, the more the better, frankly. It also doesn't hurt that Amanda Bearse, who is now impossible to take seriously thanks to her decade-long stint as Marcy D'Arcy on Married with Children, has been replaced with Tracy Lynn as Alex, Charlie's new girlfriend. Alex is an infinitely better and stronger character than Bearse's Amy, and it doesn't hurt one bit that she's also utterly gorgeous and sexy as all hell. Now that's what you call trading up. And no offense to Chris Sarandon or anything, but he's really just not my type, and Julie Carmen is much more like it for me as the sexy vampire lol. Fright Night Part 2 is as scary as the original, with many atmospheric and spooky scenes, but is also funnier than the first one, which inevitably appeals to my campy sensibilities. I love this film, and it's a crime that we still can't get it on DVD, let alone Blu-ray, from anywhere in the Western world in any legitimate form. It is one of my favorite films of all time, not just the 80s, and is endlessly rewatchable and fun. Fright Night Part 2 gets an A from me.